of mourners gathered. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the logo and the mascot of the second Northeast Olympic Games during the curtain raiser ceremony held in the city. The launch of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 website, release of Northeast Olympic Games booklet, release of findings of mass talent identification program and distribution of checks to state sports associations to hold coaching and training camps for the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 were the other highlights of the curtain raiser. The Chief Minister said that having the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 in Meghalaya this year is apt as the state celebrates the golden jubilee of the statehood. He said engagement of the youth through sports is very important in order to produce young and talented as well as responsible citizens for the state.
The youth need to be focused on. We have a large population of youth, and to ensure that the youth are guided in the right manner, to ensure that the youth ultimately end up doing the better things in life than the not so better things in life, we felt strongly that engagement of the youngsters and the youth through sports is very, very important for us, so that we are able to produce young, talented as well as responsible citizens for our state.
In the midst of